Hey everyone, it's Abraham from Bitcoin Ninjas, and today I'd like to tell you guys about our Ninja Signals TradingView buy and sell alert script. Now we've been getting a lot of requests about what information and topics to cover in this video, so it's probably going to get broken down into a multiple video series, but regardless of how many videos there ends up being, we're going to cover three major categories of information. During the first major part of the video series, we're going to give you guys a brief introduction to our Bitcoin Ninjas organization and our free website, bitcoinninjas.org, so you can learn more about who we are, what we're doing, and why we're doing it. Then we're going to get into the Ninja Signals script. We'll go over a brief introduction to that. I'll also tell you guys about the free 7-day trial that we offer, where you can have full access to the script for an entire week, including the opportunity to profit with the script during that free week trial. And then we'll get into some of the basic details of the script, such as how to adjust some of the settings that are available, how to apply various filters that are available in the script, and also how to set basic buy and sell alerts. Then in the second major part of the video series, we're going to get into the script in a lot more detail. I'll go through the setup instructions step by step with you guys. I'll show you how to set all 4 different kinds of alerts. I'll show you how to use every single indicator and filter that's built into the script. And we'll also go through some general tips such as different candle sizes and types and the pros and cons of each, as well as different calibration and configuration setups that you can use with the script. Lastly, in the second part of the video series, we'll go over some of the frequently asked questions and some of the supportive resources and links that we have available for you guys. Then in the third major part of the video series, we're going to cover automatic trading software platforms, because when you combine the power of automatic trading software like that which is used in Forex and on the stock market, when you combine these software platforms and this technology with the precise buy and sell signals that you can generate using our script, you can put together an automatic profit generating machine that will generate profit, execute trades, whether you're looking at your computer or not, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. It's really an amazing thing, and so we'll discuss that in the third part of the video series, and we'll also go through 2 of the major setups that we see a lot of people using with our script, one of which is called GunBot and the other of which is called Autoview, so we can get a little bit more into detail in terms of how to set those up and how to use our script successfully with those trading software platforms. So we got a lot to cover in this video, and let's get started. So first I want to introduce you guys to our organization. We are Bitcoin Ninjas, and our website is bitcoinninjas.org. We're putting together a lot of free resources to help people become better traders, become better investors, and just to learn the cryptocurrency world in a lot more detail to help take your level of success, whether you're a beginner or an expert or somewhere in between, and help take you further and improve your success from where you already are. We started this organization as a small community-oriented grassroots-based Facebook group where basically a couple of us, a small group of our friends, just started inviting our friends, our family members, and contributing information, different tips, different educational pieces, different articles, different videos to just try and help each other out with whatever we were doing, whether it was mining, whether it was trading, whether it was long-term holding, and it just kept growing and growing. The group grew in size and eventually grew into a Telegram group, eventually grew into a website as well. And so we're in the process of building the organization and putting together a bunch of free, helpful, awesome resources for you guys through our website. So let's take a quick preview through that. Right under the heading, you're going to see some of the major sections of our website and some of the projects that we're working on. So you'll find that there's an About Us section, so you can learn more about who we are and how this all started. We also are an official GunBot partner and reseller, so there's a GunBot section on our website where you can learn more about different automatic trading software platforms, as well as GunBot, which is one of those. We're working on a news section where we're going to keep you guys up to date on the latest cryptocurrency news, financial sector news, and current events across the world. We're also having a section of the website devoted to our Ninja Signals script. That's, of course, the main focus of this video, so we don't need to talk too much about that here, but it's definitely one of the featured products and services that we offer through Bitcoin Ninjas. We're also going to have a free training section to our website where you can learn more about everything from technical analysis to different trading styles, different candles that you can use on your graphs, all sorts of different helpful information, tutorials, resources, and other information will be available through our training section. We're also going to devote part of the website to mining, so especially so we can look into group purchasing power based mining efforts such as cloud mining, mining pools, and more. We're also going to do different reviews for different hardware and software features and options that are available out there in the cryptocurrency world, such as different exchanges you can trade on, different wallets you can store your currency and your coins in when they're not on the exchange, and other hardware and software products that we'll eventually review. We're also going to offer a 24/7 radio station where we're going to cover different educational topics, cryptocurrency news, current events, music, and a wide variety of other things as well. Once that's up, we should have that streaming 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're also going to have a frequently asked questions section to our website. It's already up right now, but it's still currently under development. We're also asking people to submit their own questions to help us build the frequently asked questions section. But this is going to have a bunch of different subsections so that we can answer some of the biggest, most popular questions we get about all sorts of different cryptocurrency related topics, whether it's automatic trading software platform questions, whether it's questions about the script, whether it's questions about our organization or anything else. Please reach out to us, please connect with us, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. And of course, we're also trying to work on a peer-to-peer exchange where people can directly exchange non-legal tender goods and services, meaning not dollars or any fiat currencies, but where you can swap things like cryptocurrencies, products, gift cards, services, IOUs, lamps, cannonballs, bowling balls, all sorts of different stuff with each other without having to go through a middleman. And also please connect with us on our various social media outreach platforms and our digital communication platforms that we use. We are on Facebook, we're on Twitter, but most primarily we're on Telegram, we're on Steemit, especially Steemit because it's a decentralized platform that is based on the blockchain where the people who post the content are the owners of the content, unlike Facebook and large tech giants that take ownership of the information you post. Of course, we're on Telegram. We have our 3 major groups there, the Bitcoin Ninjas official chat, our Ninja Signals script support group, and then our Bitcoin Ninjas GunBot team. We also have a fully functional forum, so please feel free to join up, create a profile, make a post, introduce yourself, network, let us know if there's any opportunities you think we should look into, etc. We're also going to be conducting polls through our website, and that way we can have group-based decision-making, and that way we can get feedback from other members of the community and really work together with the opinions of other people to try and make things better and try to help everyone find success. And lastly, we are working on some top-secret GitHub projects right now. That will probably be one of the later sections of the website to be completed, but we'll have more details about that to come in the future. So moving on to our script. So this is our Ninja Signals TradingView buy and sell alert script. This is the product page featured on our website. Now there's a lot of different screenshots you can check out here. It's a very helpful resource, but probably one of the most important reasons I recommend people check out our Ninja Shop and the Ninja Signals item in the shop, because this is where you can find out how to start your free 7-day trial. We list the 3 steps. We don't ask you for any payment information or credit card information or anything like that. We're just asking you to basically like and favorite the script, follow our account on TradingView, and sign up for this free website, our BitcoinNinjas.org community website. No participation is necessary. And then we'll set you up with full access to the script for an entire week for absolutely free. And so if anyone wants to check that out or share that opportunity with a friend they know, feel free to just direct them to our website and our Ninja Shop. And you can see right here on the product page all 3 steps that are needed to go ahead and get your free 7-day trial started. So what is the Ninja Signals TradingView script? Well, it's basically a custom PineScript code encoded software piece that's built on the TradingView PineScript platform, the latest version, version 3, and it basically generates automatic buy and sell signals that can be used to place automatic or even manual trades with many of the popular exchanges available today. So here's some screenshots of the script itself. You can see here there's blue buy arrows and these purple close order sell arrows. There's also, in addition to the alert generating script that actually generates the alerts which trigger you to place manual or automatic buy and sell orders, there's also a backtesting strategy that comes with the script. And so as you can see down here towards the bottom of the screen, you can see a net profit that's estimated for the time period that's being tested, the percentage of profitable trades, the number of closed trades, the average profit percentage per trade, the number of trades in the number of bars in the average trade, and etc. So it's a very powerful tool because it allows you to customize how you're going to trade, where you want your buy and sell signals to be. Then it lets you set automatic alerts that will tell you when to buy or sell, or will tell an automatic trading software platform when to buy or sell, and ultimately allows you to generate profit consistently over time no matter what market condition you're in. simply by adjusting the settings in this very powerful script. Let's take a look at some of the other screenshots here. You can see this is where the alerts would happen at these buy and sell arrows, whereas on the last page you can see not only are the buy and sell alert arrows still present, if you look closely they're behind each of these larger arrows, and then of course you see these larger arrows, these light blue buy and purplish or reddish sell or close position arrows, and those are part of the backtesting strategy. So just to be clear, the script is what generates the alerts, and the strategy, the backtesting strategy, is what lets you test out various trading styles and trading strategies based on those alerts and arrows that our script generates. So both version 1 and version 2 of our script each are accompanied by a backtesting strategy. So no matter what version you're using, you're going to have the ability to test it out based on the available historical data. So here's a picture where the alerts would fire without the backtesting strategy. You can see the backtesting strategy is hidden. It's grayed out at the top. This is a picture of the alert screen where you're setting an alert. In this particular case, we are setting up a buy alert. And we have some syntax down here in the message body of the alert to trigger an automatic trading software platform, in this particular case to trigger GunBot, to place an order where it would be buying a certain amount of the XVG or Verge coin using Bitcoin, and then when it sells, it will then sell that Verge coin back for Bitcoin. Here's another screenshot of the sell alert that's set up for same coin, same simulation here would be with GunBot. Here's a quick preview of the settings page. When you pull up the settings page for our script, you can see there's many adjustable settings, including a simple calibration number that lets you space out or bring together the arrows. There's a Heikin-Ashi calibration option that can help improve placement of arrows on certain coins in certain market conditions. There's also a stop loss that's built in that can easily be adjusted simply by changing a number. And this can quickly be flipped to function as a pseudo-trailing stop loss, where the percentage drop in price would be calculated from the last sell arrow as opposed to the regular stop loss function where it is calculated from the last buy arrow. There's a GunBot specific feature that also works with manual trading too, but is more particularly focused on GunBot, and that's the feature that's called sell only for profit or never sell for a loss. And this correlates with the GunBot feature called TV protection or gain protection, which allows you to set a certain number, a certain percentage, for which the trading software will ignore all sell arrows or sell orders that come in that are not at least going to result in your percentage profit trade that you select or more. So if a sell arrow comes in and it would only be a 1% profit, but you have that setting set to a minimum profit per trade of 2%, that would ignore that sell arrow and it would wait for the price to climb higher until it then follows through on a sell alert when one comes. You can also set that to be a negative number as well if you only want to take a certain loss. Say for example, you want to ignore all sell arrows that would result in a loss of 2% or more. You could set that number to be a negative 2. So that's a feature that helps you out with a particular style of manual trading and GunBot automatic software trading when using the TV protection or minimum gain feature. There's also RSI buy and sell cutoff filters that allow you to specify different overbought conditions where you would not want to buy more and different oversold conditions where you would not want to sell more. So you can again set that cutoff and enable those cutoff filters directly on the script and on the backtesting strategy. There's also a downtrend EMA buy filter that allows you to adjust the EMA trend line on the chart. You can see it in the background, the white and black dotted line, and you can use that trend line to establish what an uptrend is and what a downtrend is, and you can apply various filters to the script depending on that trend that you specify. For example, say you never want to buy when price is dropping and price is in a downtrend. You would simply activate the downtrend EMA buy filter, and anywhere the EMA is trending down or falling, it would not place a buy order during that time. Of course, the backtesting strategy also comes with a date range filter, and that way you can specify your testing over a certain period of time. You could test the last week of trading, you could test the last month. Say you remember when the bear market started for the cryptocurrency market cycle right now back in February, you could go test just from February 1st to March 1st if you wanted. So it's a very versatile and powerful tool, and there's actually a lot more indicators built in now, a lot more features built in now than this screenshot represents. And we're going to cover those in the second part of this video when we get into the script in more detail. Let's look at the other screenshots here quickly. This is some of the properties that are available to be adjusted for the script. You can enter the transaction fee amount for your exchange here to get a more realistic estimate of backtesting results. You can change your order size and type here. For example, with some currencies, such as when trading fiat pairs against cryptocurrency like BTC USD or BTC USDT if you're trading Tether. For many of those pairs, you have to specify that you're trading contracts, not USD, and that will allow the script to function properly. So just be aware of that issue. And of course, you can hide the buy or sell arrows. From each of the strategy, you can hide the stop limit signs, the take profit symbols. You can hide and remove or change the color or shape of any of those if you don't like the way they're currently set up. So it's a very customizable, very adjustable, very powerful trading tool that can help out traders of all different kinds, whether you're trading manually, automatically, whether you're a beginner, whether you're an expert, or whether you're going to set up an automatic trading software system. It's a very versatile and powerful script. It also works with Forex, it works with different securities, it works with different currencies, and so it's not limited to cryptocurrencies by any means. A couple other quick things to discuss, and then we'll conclude this first part of the video series, this overview. This script synthesizes together many different indicators. It also, in addition to the ones we've covered, such as RSI, it also synthesizes stochastic RSI, money flow index, MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence. It encompasses RSI divergence. It covers different oscillators, different Bollinger Band filters. There's Awesome Oscillator, a Rune Oscillator, a Squeeze Oscillator filter to try and avoid noisy and choppy periods during the script, trading cycles. There's a lot of different features. Bollinger Band filter, Keltner channel filter, Donchian channel filter. Lots and lots of different indicators have been synthesized into this one script, or this one super indicator, for making it as easy to use as possible for people to apply different indicators and find the signals that they want to find to meet their own trading preferences and style. And that about wraps up the first part of this video series. Before we get into the second part of the video series, I do just want to remind you guys that this is a very powerful trading tool, and remember that power goes both ways. You can make a lot of profit with this script, but you can also lose a lot of money with this script. So please be very careful. If you decide to use this, please make sure to test out your alerts with backtesting, then do forward testing or live testing by setting test alerts. Please remember that every trade that you make is based on your own judgment. We are not trading for you. Our script is not trading for you. Our script is simply an educational planning tool that you can use to guide your trading. So please be careful. Yes, there's a lot of opportunity to profit with the script, but there's also a lot of opportunity to lose money with the script if you misuse it. So please be careful. Make smart decisions, everyone. Do your own research before you trade, and we wish you all the best of success. Take care, and we'll see you in part 2 of this video series.